Stop!
So much excitement and anticipation. Let's try it this way. There's his thumb. I'm surprised you guys are really not liking this treat. This is like one of my favorites. Got a runner. No, don't pick the wound. That really hurts. I don't know how I did it yesterday, but it was a bummer. She's still trying to figure out how to hork that thing down. Had I known you guys would be this slow, I would have not brought you this treat and kept it for myself. The cinnamon's getting close to laying an egg, but not yet. Still waiting. Tina Turner, you're blocking my view. Out by the wind and the falling leaves, you know, the old "the sky is falling" deal.
Who wants some green tomatoes? How about you? Ever heard of fried green tomatoes? Most delicious thing next to bacon. Here's one if you want to see for yourself. What do you say?